All right, got a dent on the door of a Civic here. Door edge was bent out, caused by the door being open and then actually hitting another vehicle, and then caused the edge of this panel to come out that way, and then cause not actually denting from the outside, but just a pressure dent on the door panel. So our goal is going to be to recreate what happened here, except the opposite. So we're going to pull tension this direction with glue and then pull the dent out that way. Majority glue repair. We did lose some seam sealer on the inside, so we replaced that and then just do the touch up on it to make it look the same color. But that's what we're working on today. This is gonna be a test.